Good afternoon, students. Our today's topic is difference between partnership firm and sole proprietorship firm. So the first point is number of members. So as I discussed earlier that the minimum number of members in partnership firm is 2 and maximum is 50. If I talk about the sole proprietorship, then the owner of the sole proprietorship is an individual, means to say that a single person, minimum number of person is 1 and maximum will also be 1 in sole proprietorship. Second one is agreement. Here in partnership firm, there will be an agreement, means there is a partnership deed. In partnership deed, all the information contained, means what is the name of the partnership firm, who are the partners, name of the partners, address of the partners, their profit sharing ratio, their capital investment. All these information is contained in this agreement. And in sole proprietorship, there is no question of any agreement because the business is run by a single person only. Third one is act. There is an act of Indian Partnership Act 1932 applies to the partnership business, and sole proprietorship firms, no act is applies to this particular business. Fourth one is registration. So if I talk about the partnership registration, registration is not mandatory but it is useful. If I talk about the sole proprietorship, there is no question of registration in respect of sole proprietorship firms. Okay. Then fifth point is profit and loss. Profit loss is divided among all the partners according to the agreement. There is agreement which is known as partnership deed. The profit sharing ratio is also decided in that particular agreement. In the absence of the agreement, the partners are divided all the losses and all the profits equally. Okay, if it is mentioned in the deed, then to no problem. If it is not clear in the agreement, then all the partners divided equally, whether profit or losses. Then in sole proprietorship, sole trader himself is the recipient of all the profit and losses. In case of partnership firm, in case of sole proprietorship, all the losses are bear by one person and all the profits are enjoyed by also one person only. So next one is management. All the partners or one partner on behalf of the other partners manage all the firms. And in sole proprietorship firm, single person investing money and single person will also manage all the business activities. Capital. If I talk about the partnership firm, all the partners invest capital in the firm, as a result of which the financial resources of the firm increases. Okay, if I talk about the sole proprietorship firm, all the capital is invested by a single person, hence the capital is limited in sole proprietorship firm. So next one is, and last one is, transfer of interest. As I discussed earlier that there is no partner can transfer his interest in the firm without the approval of other persons, without the consent of, without the permission of other partners. He cannot transfer his interest. But in sole proprietorship firm, a single person needs no approval. Okay, क्योंकि वो खुद ही मैनेज कर रहा है, खुद ही पैसा इन्वेस्ट कर रहा है. If he want to transfer his assets to anyone, any firm, any business, then there is no need any kind of approval. Okay, so this is the major difference between the partnership firm and sole proprietorship firm. And thank you so much.